Hi, welcome back to my channel. Many thanks for stopping by, and it's always a pleasure making a video for you. I'm just making a quick video here for you in regards to a very small B&M haul that I did today. I needed to take something back to B&M because it was too big for what I needed it for. So I did that, and I decided to pick up a few craft items, more stationery than craft. I'm just having some tea here to calm my nerves down. It's apple and cinnamon, one of my favourites in the herbal tea selections that I get. I managed to get out on my own. Well, I took little doggy with me for company, but it was just me and him. I woke up with a headache this morning because I know that I was stressing in my sleep, worrying about going out today on my own, but I needed to get some bits and pieces done. I needed to get to the sorting office, B&M, and the post office to post off some parcels. So I went to the sorting office first, after hard, careful deliberation with my mind and heart. And there was 6 people in front of me, and I tried to keep really calm, and I got through that. And then I left and went straight to B&M, and I exchanged the item for some bits and pieces. So the items that I picked up, I exchanged for was, I picked up this 2019 diary, which I don't know what I'm going to use it for, because I have got so many notebooks, planners and diaries already. But saying that, they're all undated, so that's the good thing about the ones that I have. I can always use them at any time. But I liked this one because of the softness and the colour. Really cute. And I might use the inside for a traveller's notebook or a journal, just depends. I don't know what I'm going to use that for as yet, but yeah, I liked it, so I got it. That was £1.29, and I picked these up as well. These are mini notebooks, which there's 3 in a packet, and these were £1.29 as well, and they're really groovy. And I normally make my own inserts for my traveller's notebooks or my journals, but I thought, let me grab these just in case I want to make a quick one and put these in. They're really pretty, really pretty, really pretty. So I was happy with that. And this, which I really thought I'm going to get this so I can play with it. It's lovely, I love it. And I got this. This was $3.99, and the pages are pretty reasonable. They're not overly flimsy or lightweight. They're really nice. So I got that, and that was my haul. And I managed to get to the post office as soon as I left B&M, because I had some parcels to post. So I did that, and I was really happy, and I achieved my goal today, because it was a fight, but I did it. And I'm happy with my my little buy. And out of the refund, I think I got £4.99 back, out of my spend. So that's it. So thank you so much for watching my video, coming back to my channel, and thank you for all the new subscribers as well. If you liked this little mini haul, please give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe and hit the bell in order to get notified as to when I upload my new videos. So thank you so much for that, and take care. I'll see you soon. Bye for now.